Hi everyone, welcome back to this video tutorial. We can discuss about algorithm and flowchart. An algorithm is a sequence of steps to solve a particular problem. If you are given with a problem to solve, then identify the necessary steps to solve that problem, and these steps are represented as a sequence that form an algorithm. Similarly, flowchart is also used for the same purpose, and flowchart is the pictorial representation of an algorithm. That means algorithm and flowchart represents the steps required to solve a problem as a sequence one after another. Algorithm and in algorithm the steps are represented as different statements, and flowchart the steps are represented as a picture using certain notations. Okay, so to draw a flow chart, certain symbols we must understand. These are some of the symbols used for drawing a flow chart. These symbols have their own unique meaning. Okay, this oval shape, it is used to represent the start and end of a flow chart. Okay, this parallelogram is used for input and output operation. Okay, this particular box parallelogram shape used to represent an input and output operation. Rectangle actually indicating the processing step. That means arithmetic operations and data manipulation operations, etc. And this diamond actually used for decision making, mainly used for checking whether a condition is true or not. And we are using these arrow symbols, up, down, left and right arrow, to indicate the control flow from one step to another, and also used for connecting various symbols of a flowchart. And this particular circle is used for page connector. That means if our flowchart expand in more than one pages, then we can use this circle to connect one page to another. These are some of the symbols, important symbols used to draw the flowchart. Some more symbols are there, but these are the commonly using symbols for drawing a flowchart. Okay, so consider one example, one situation. The task or the problem given as add two numbers and display the sum value. Okay, so this one is the algorithm and this one is the corresponding flowchart. Okay, so first we want to start the algorithm. Next, we need to get the two numbers to add. So input two numbers and are represented as A and B. Okay, then perform an addition and store the value into another variable sum. Then display the result. The result is available in sum. Then finally we can stop. Okay, read two numbers, perform the summation, and the resultant value is stored somewhere and display the value. Then we can stop. So this form the sequence of statement that is needed for solving this particular given task. So this form the algorithm for this given situation, and the corresponding flowchart look like this. Use this oval shape for start and stop. In between this parallelogram shape used for inputting operation here. That means input two values of two input numbers represented, one as A and other as B, or the input values are taken in variable A or in variable B. Then perform the addition and the result of summation store into another variable sum. This is an arithmetic operation, so it is represented using this rectangular box. Then finally we need to perform the output operation for displaying the result of addition using the same parallelogram for this outputting operation, and finally we can stop. This arrow here it is used for indicating the direction of control flow. Start from this position and transfer control to this statement, from this to this, then this to this. So this is the order of execution of our program. Okay, So this is the basic idea of algorithm and flowchart. Thank you.